I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by the BillFodl. Get your seed phrases off of paper and into solid steel so you can have peace of mind around fire damage, water damage, and so much more. This is how I'm backing up my important Bitcoin wallets, and you can grab one today at privacypros.io/BTC Sessions.
I always say, right, I think incentives are going to win over coercion. And on a global level, over the last 2 years, you've seen TEPCO, which is Japan's largest energy company. You've seen ConocoPhillips, you've seen ExxonMobil, you've seen Gazprom, and you also saw Shell recently announce that they're getting into the industry, right? So that just, goes to show that as much as the energy haters, to put it nicely, are trying to attack this thing on the social front, the incentives of Bitcoin are irresistible. And all that's on an international scale, right? TEPCO is in Japan. Those are American companies, ConocoPhillips, ExxonMobil, and Gazprom is in Russia, right? So, and Shell, also American company. And then recently, Jack Dorsey announced when he went to the Africa Bitcoin conference that he's going to invest in this company called Grid. And it's basically trying to use excess energy in Africa, trying to monetize that because Ben down there said it, right? The difference between energy and electricity. The reality is that when electricity is produced, right, it's not very efficient to transport over a long distance, and you can't store it very effectively. So what tends to happen a lot of the time is there's this overproduction of electricity, and if you don't use it, it basically goes to waste. And now Bitcoin, for the first time in human history, we found a way to monetize that excess energy.